Hey, Canva creators! If you're all about design and want to up your game without the headache of complicated tools, then today's tutorial is perfect for you. We're going to create a sleek, professional juice bottle mockup in Canva. No Photoshop, no stress, just quick and easy. Let's start with the basics. We need a juice bottle image. Head over to Google and search for blank juice bottle mockup. Choose one with the best quality. The higher the resolution, the better. Once you've got your image, upload it to Canva and drop it onto your canvas. Just center it for now, nothing too fancy. We're setting the stage here. Now, here's where it gets interesting. On the left side, hit Apps, then search for Mockups. Click on the Mockup tool when it pops up. Next, select the juice bottle you just added and click Create a Mockup template. Canva will do its thing, so just give it a second. Boom! Your mockup template is ready to go. Now head over to your Uploads tab, drag in your juice label design, and drop it onto the bottle. Canva will automatically apply it, and it'll usually look great straight away. If you feel like tweaking it a bit, click the mockup, use the Adjust Image tool, make any adjustments, and hit Apply when you're happy. Then, save your mockup as a PNG file and make sure to check the transparent background option so it fits perfectly with any design you use it in later. And there you have it, a sharp, professional juice bottle mockup created entirely in Canva. No fuss, no complicated steps. If this was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with any Canva tips you want to see next, and make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell on so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing!